Imagine earning money while you sleep, simply by connecting people with products they already want. This is the promise of affiliate marketing. In this video, you'll learn proven strategies and step-by-step plans for affiliate marketing success in India, including platform choices, promotion channels, and realistic action plans. Now that we've set the stage, let's preview the journey ahead. We'll explore the fundamentals of affiliate marketing, how to select profitable products, the best ways to promote them, strategies for building trust, and a realistic action plan for monetization. Affiliate marketing is more than just a buzzword. It's a performance-driven system that rewards you for connecting customers with products. Let's break down how this model works and why it's so scalable. To start, let's define affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other companies' products or services. This definition highlights the core idea. You act as a connector, earning rewards for driving sales. Here's how affiliate marketing works. You earn commissions for sales, scale your income with content, and build trust by connecting customers to the right products. The performance-based model means you earn a commission for each sale, typically as a percentage of the total sales value. Passive income potential is unlocked when you combine affiliate marketing with content creation, such as blogging or YouTube. Connecting customers involves matching products to their needs and providing trusted recommendations. Several affiliate networks are popular in India, each offering unique advantages and commission structures. Amazon Associates India offers easy approval and is a trusted platform for beginners. Flipkart Affiliate provides access to multiple brands and competitive commission rates. EarnCaro, ExtraPay, and QLinks offer higher commissions for Amazon and Flipkart products, sometimes reaching up to 10 to 12%. ClickBank and Digistore24 specialize in digital products with commissions ranging from 50 to 75%. Selecting the right products is crucial for affiliate marketing success. We'll explore how to identify high-demand items and maximize your earnings through smart choices. Here's how to select profitable products. Focus on high-demand categories, seek out high commissions, and use popularity indicators to guide your choices. High-demand products include trending categories like gadgets, fashion, beauty, health supplements, and online courses. High commission opportunities arise when you prioritize products with attractive commission rates, sometimes reaching up to 75%. Recurring commissions are possible when you select subscription-based products such as software or memberships. Gravity scores and bestseller lists help you identify popular products that are likely to convert well. Notice how these product types align with both demand and commission potential, offering a range of opportunities for affiliates. Gadgets offer a commission range of 1 to 10% on platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. Fashion and beauty products provide commissions between 10 and 12%, available on Amazon, Flipkart, and EarnCaro. Health supplements have variable commissions, often found on ClickBank. Online courses can yield commissions from 50 to 75% on platforms like ClickBank and Digistore24. Promotion is the engine of affiliate marketing. Let's explore the most effective channels for reaching audiences and driving sales in India. Here's how to promote affiliate products. Use blogging, YouTube, social media, short videos, and BioLink tools to reach and engage your audience. Blogging allows you to create product reviews and comparisons, attracting evergreen traffic through SEO. YouTube is ideal for tutorials, unboxing videos, and top product lists, with affiliate links placed in the description. Social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, and Telegram offer massive reach for affiliate promotions. Short video trends, such as TikTok and Instagram-style content, along with WhatsApp broadcasts, are highly effective in India. BioLink tools like Linktree and Beacons help manage multiple affiliate links in your social media bios. Generating traffic is essential for affiliate earnings, and these strategies help ensure a steady flow of visitors. Evergreen content, such as older blog posts and videos, continues to generate earnings over time. SEO and consistency are key. Maintain regular posting and optimize your content for search engines. Email marketing helps you build and nurture your audience using tools like MailChimp and ConvertKit. Trust is the foundation of affiliate marketing. Without credibility, even the best products won't convert. Let's see how to build genuine relationships with your audience. Here's how to build trust and credibility. Provide genuine reviews, offer value first, use testimonials, nurture your email list, and avoid spamming. Genuine reviews include honest pros and cons and personal experiences, which build credibility. A value-first approach means offering free tips or guides before recommending products. Use your testimonials and before and after images provide real feedback and enhance trust. Nurturing your email list keeps your audience engaged with regular updates. Avoiding spamming is crucial to respecting your audience and preventing trust erosion. Monetization is where affiliate marketing becomes real. We'll break down commission rates, payout thresholds, and a practical action plan to help you achieve results. Commission structures vary across platforms, with digital products often providing the highest rates. Amazon India offers commissions ranging from 1 to 10%, with fashion and beauty categories often on the higher end. Flipkart provides commission rates similar to Amazon. ClickBank can offer commissions up to 75%, especially for digital products. Notice how minimum payout thresholds differ across platforms, affecting when you can access your earnings. Amazon India requires a minimum payout of 2,500 rupees before you can withdraw earnings. Earncaro has a much lower minimum payout threshold of 10 rupees. Let's trace the step-by-step action plan for affiliate marketing success over 90 to 180 days. In the first 30 days, join 3 to 5 affiliate programs, finalize your niche, select 5 to 10 products, and create 10 to 15 content pieces. From day 31 to 60, maintain content consistency, intensify SEO and social promotion, start building an email list, and track your first sales. Between days 61 and 90, test low-budget paid ads, create more content, start a WhatsApp or Telegram group, and analyze which links convert best. From day 91 to 180, diversify traffic sources, explore collaborations, build a funnel, and aim for monthly earnings of 10,000 to 50,000 rupees with consistent effort. Long-term success in affiliate marketing depends on generating traffic, staying consistent, and leveraging the booming Indian market. Traffic generation through blogging and YouTube is essential for affiliate earnings. Patience and consistency are vital, as top affiliates build their success over years. The Indian market is booming, offering significant opportunities for affiliate marketers. Affiliate marketing in India offers scalable income, real opportunities, and a path to financial freedom. The journey starts with your first step. By focusing on consistency, building trust, and making smart product choices, you can unlock affiliate marketing success in India's booming market. Your journey is just beginning.